Hey, Health Lab family! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our overall well-being. That is kidney health. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter out toxins from our bodies, but sometimes they could use a little extra support. So, if you have been wondering how to give your kidneys a natural boost, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 ways to cleanse and detox your kidneys using simple, natural methods that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're looking to enhance your kidney function or just want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, these tips are for you. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest wellness content. Now, let's get started on the path to happy, healthy kidneys. Number 1, stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health because water plays a fundamental role in the kidney's ability to perform their functions effectively. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood, turning them into urine and excreting them from the body. Adequate water intake helps in the filtration process by diluting the concentration of waste products in the blood. This makes it easier for the kidneys to filter and remove these waste substances, including urea and creatinine, through urine. Sufficient water helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. When there is not enough fluid to dilute the minerals and salts in the urine, crystals can form and combine to create stones. Drinking enough water can help flush out these minerals and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of fluids in and around cells. Proper hydration supports the kidneys in regulating electrolyte levels, ensuring a balance that is essential for nerve function, muscle contraction, and overall cellular health. Insufficient water intake can lead to dehydration, which puts additional strain on the kidneys. When dehydrated, the kidneys have to work harder to concentrate urine, and this increased workload can potentially compromise their efficiency over time. Adequate hydration helps regulate blood pressure, which is essential for kidney health. The kidneys play a key role in blood pressure regulation by adjusting the volume of blood and the concentration of sodium. Proper hydration supports these regulatory functions. Number 2, limit sodium intake. High sodium intake is strongly associated with an increase in blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure can damage the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to effectively filter waste and excess fluid. Over time, this can contribute to the development of chronic kidney disease. When there is an excess of sodium in the body, it can lead to water retention. The kidneys have to work harder to excrete the excess sodium and water, which can strain their filtering function and contribute to edema. For individuals with existing kidney disease, limiting sodium intake becomes even more critical. High sodium levels can accelerate the progression of kidney damage. High sodium levels in the urine can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Excessive sodium can lead to an increase in the concentration of calcium and other minerals in the urine, making it more likely for crystals to form and combine into stones. Sodium intake can be limited by choosing fresh whole foods over processed and packaged foods, using herbs and spices for flavor instead of relying on salt. Avoiding excessive consumption of fast food, restaurant meals, and processed snacks. Number 3, eat kidney-friendly foods. Eating kidney-friendly foods is essential for maintaining and promoting kidney health. Kidney-friendly foods typically provide a balanced mix of nutrients, including essential vitamins and minerals. This helps support overall health and ensures that the kidneys receive the nutrients necessary for optimal function. The kidneys play a role in processing and excreting the byproducts of protein metabolism. In individuals with kidney disease, there may be a need to manage protein intake. Kidney-friendly foods often include high-quality protein sources that are easier on the kidneys, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, and plant-based protein options. Many kidney-friendly foods are naturally low in sodium, which is crucial for regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure can contribute to kidney damage over time, so a diet that supports healthy blood pressure levels is beneficial for kidney health. Some kidney-friendly diets may involve reducing the intake of foods high in oxalates and phosphorus. Oxalates can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, while excessive phosphorus can be problematic for individuals with kidney disease. Kidney-friendly food choices help manage the levels of these substances in the body. Kidney-friendly foods often contain antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can be particularly important for individuals with kidney disease, as oxidative stress may play a role in the progression of kidney damage. Kidney-friendly foods include apples, berries, watermelon, leafy greens, cucumber, celery, garlic, and ginger. Incorporate these foods into your diet to support kidney health. However, consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance based on specific health conditions and nutritional requirements. Number 4, try herbal teas. Herbal teas can provide various benefits that support kidney health. While it's essential to note that individual responses to herbs can vary, here are ways in which certain herbal teas may contribute to kidney health. Many herbal teas are rich in antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress has been linked to various kidney diseases. Herbal teas like green tea and hibiscus tea contain antioxidants that may offer protective effects for the kidneys. Some herbal teas possess diuretic properties, which means they may increase urine production. This can help in flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, potentially reducing the risk of kidney stones and supporting overall kidney function. Examples of diuretic herbal teas include dandelion tea and nettle tea. Chronic inflammation can contribute to kidney damage. Certain herbal teas, such as ginger tea and turmeric tea, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, these teas may help protect the kidneys from damage caused by inflammatory processes. High blood pressure is a common risk factor for kidney disease. Some herbal teas, including hibiscus tea, have been studied for their potential to lower blood pressure. By promoting healthy blood pressure levels, these teas may contribute to kidney health. Herbal teas like cranberry tea have been associated with antibacterial properties. Regular consumption of cranberry tea may help prevent urinary tract infections, which, if left untreated, can lead to kidney infections. Certain herbal teas are often included in detoxification regimens. For example, parsley tea is believed to have detoxifying effects and may help flush out toxins from the body, supporting kidney function. However, individual responses to herbal remedies vary. It's always a good idea to introduce herbal teas gradually and observe how your body responds. Number 5, exercise regularly. Regular exercise is beneficial for kidney health for several reasons, as it contributes to overall cardiovascular fitness and helps maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity has been shown to help lower and control blood pressure. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. By keeping blood pressure within a healthy range, exercise can reduce the strain on the blood vessels in the kidneys, promoting long-term kidney health. Cardiovascular exercise, such as walking, running, or swimming, enhances the efficiency of the heart and circulatory system. Good cardiovascular health is vital for maintaining proper blood flow to the kidneys, ensuring that they receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. Regular exercise plays a crucial role in weight management and can help prevent obesity, which is a risk factor for kidney disease. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the risk of developing conditions such as diabetes and hypertension, both of which can contribute to kidney problems. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to various chronic diseases, including kidney disease. Regular exercise has anti-inflammatory effects, which may help protect the kidneys from inflammation-related damage. It's important to note that the type and intensity of exercise should be tailored to an individual's fitness level and health status. Remember, consistency is key, and incorporating a variety of exercises into your routine can provide a range of health benefits, including those specific to kidney health. So, viewers, we have covered 5 ways to cleanse and detox kidneys. Simple yet powerful strategies to give your kidneys the care they deserve. However, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is essential for personalized advice tailored to specific health needs. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay healthy, stay informed, and let's continue to cultivate a life of vibrant health together.